So hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my second new blog. In this blog, I'm going to talk about my hobbies and my day-to-day activities. So today the weather is cold and chilly, and also this is a second day for my English speaking journey. Right now I'm walking in a narrow path. This path basically made by clay. Look at this path. And it is morning time. That's why the village people aren't see anywhere. I'm walking alone with my mobile phone and recording myself and try to speak English out loudly. This is a perfect time for me, especially in village, because in this time most of the people are fell sleeping in a bed. That's why the road generally are feel empty, and no one mock you, no one criticize you in this time if you try to speak English. So I decide, if I try to speak English, this is a perfect time for me because no one can see me in this time. In my surroundings you can see many of things. Look, you can see, just wait, I will turn on my camera. Just a minute. Oh, I have not this kind of function in this mobile because this mobile are very low budget range mobile. So guys, this is called eucalyptus tree. This is not our native tree. Eucalyptus tree generally comes from Australia and also found in Caribbean. And you can also see the rice field. This is our main food. We generally eat every day. This food, rice, is a biggest source of energy. So that's why we took rice every day. Some birds are shouting out loudly because they feel, I think, happy. And I'm also happy because in this time I can speak English much naturally, much fluently. So if you guys feel shy and think I'm a village lad, I can't speak English fluently because I haven't any opportunity like cities people, so it is your mistake. Look at me. If I can speak English smoothly, you can also speak English smoothly. Even a illiterate person who never speak English, if he can also speak English very confidently. So don't be fair. Try again and again. Focus and believe in yourself. You can speak English very confidently. So, so right now is 7 o'clock in the morning, and the sky become so cloudy. It feels anytime the rain will come. But I have no fear because if the rain come, then I will take shelter on my own place because this is my place and all neighbors are my relatives. Basically, they do not feel annoying. Look, in my straightforward, two dogs, two dogs chicks are playing. Here they are. They're trying to do something. Look at, they're very happy kids. Another is here, Mr. Goat, Goat Massey. If you live in village, you can feel the real nature. What kind of nature it is belongs in all around us. For example, look in street, two duck are walking in a street. It's not duck, it's called, yes, it's called duck. I'm sorry. They are flew away. Sorry, they had flew away because we're the human being and they think we are the dangerous thing all over the world. That's why when they see us, basically it flew away. So what what I'm trying to say, I forget. Yes, I can, yes, I remember my hobbies. My I have a big vision. If I can complete my tasks, then I will take a high paid salary job. If I got it, if I got, sorry, if I got high paid salary job, then I definitely improve myself and my family's future will develop. So that's why I'm trying to build up my English comprehension. If you are a beginner like me, then like, comment and subscribe. If you do, then I will give you my tips and technique. How can I build my English? Look, another dogs. It's white dog. Sorry, it's not dogs. Yes, it's called white dog. You can find this kind of dog everywhere in any place in our country because these dogs are desi traditional dogs. Look, another pairs of ducks are flying. Ducks are very social being. They live together for all their life. By the way, I think the rain will coming any moment in this time. So this is a perfect ideal time to leave away the place because in this place you can see all are empty. So if the rain come if the rain is coming in this time, then I will definitely weeding it rain, and rainwater is very harmful for me because when I bathing in rain for for this reason later I will definitely feel ill, especially the fever attack me and I feel very annoying, very unconscious in that time. So rain is very dangerous for me. But the rain will also help us in many ways. If the rain is falling, then you look, the rice field will blooming. The the production will be increased double, even triple. So in the farmer's kind of mind, it's very important for them. The rain very important for them. What? The rain. If rain will come, the farmer will feel very happy in their mind because the rainwater gives nutrients and many things which are very important for crops. So I think this is I think this is enough for this day. So inshallah, guys, you will definitely see me again. Bye bye.